We have given decimal number. Why? Because we have decimal point. Decimal point is always between ones and tenths, or we can say units and tenths. First, we have to round our number to the nearest unit. When we round decimal number, we use the same rule for rounding whole number. So first we have to find the digits to which we have to round. We have first to the nearest unit. So let me copy our example. We have 0.85378 to the nearest unit. So this is first digit before, or we can say to the left from decimal point. So this is 0. Next step, we have to check the digit which is after our underline digits. So this is 8. When we have 5 or more, we need to increase our underline digit by 1. So we have to add 1 to our underline digit, and what else? Now every digit which is after our underline digit behind now will be 0. So 8 will be 0, 5 will be 0, 3 will be 0, 7 will be 0, and 8 will be 0. And next we have to copy decimal point, and we have to just add 1 to 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. And next, we have after decimal point zeros. We don't need to write the zeros because it doesn't change the value of our number. This is still 1. So we can write that this is 1 and decimal point if you want. This is our rounding to the nearest unit. Next, we have to round our number to the nearest tenth. So let me copy our example. We have 0.85378. First, we need to find the tenth. First digit after decimal point is our tenth. Next is hundredth, thousandth, 10,000th, 100,000th, and so on. So our last digit to keep is 8. And next we have to check what we have behind our underline digit. So we have 5. When we have 5 or more, we need to add 1 to our underline digit. So we have plus 1. And now we have to do addition, and don't forget that every digit which is after our underline digits now we have to change to 0. So 8 we have to change to 0, 7 to 0, 3 to 0, 5 to 0, and now we have to add 8 plus 1 is 9. We have to copy decimal point and we have 0. So when we round our number to the nearest tenth, we have 0.9. We don't need to write the zeros after 9 because it doesn't change the value of our number. So this was rounding to the nearest tenth. And next, let me copy again our number with 0.85378. We need to round this number to the nearest hundredth. So first we need to underline these digits to which we have to round our number. Hundredth is the second digit from the decimal point to the right of decimal point. First tenth, hundredth. So we underline the digits to which we have to round our number. Next we have to check what we have after this underline digit is 3. When we have less than 5, it means we have to copy our number, we don't have to do anything. And every digit after underlying digits now will be 0. So 8 we have to change to 0, 7 to 0, 3 to 0, and the rest we have to copy 5, 8, decimal point, and 0. So our number rounded to the nearest term, hundredth, will be 0.85. We don't need to write the zeros because these zeros are not necessary because they don't change the value of our number. This is my solution.